Hyalual Electri sales material introductions. Electri in Malaysia is distributed by JLC Asia. It is manufactured in Italy by a Switzerland company named Hyalual. In Malaysia, it is approved by MDA. The specialty of Electri is this double synergy effect technology. It combines HA and succinic acid. Inside the box, there is one syringe. Every syringe contains 1.6% of succinic acid and also 0.55% of high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Like other skin boosters, Electri is able to help the skin regain its youthful look and healthiness. But Electri can do more than that. This double synergy technology is patented by Hyalual, meaning the combination of HA and succinic acid. No other company can use it as injectable. Similar with other skin boosters, Electri contains HA that is able to help skin hydrations, reduce fine lines. On top of that, with succinic acid, Electri is able to reduce pigmentations. Due to the pathology process, our skin starts to age, and some of the indications like pigmentations, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, fine lines, age spots, and saggy skins. All these indications can be done by Electri, but Electri might not be able to produce the best result. Let's say sunken skin, wrinkles, you can go for your other treatments like fillers and Botox. Pigmentations, saggy skin, you can go with your thread lift and other treatments. Electri will focus on pigmented eyes, so these are some of the samples. For pigmented eyes, there are also a few types. Electri only works on dark eye circle that is formed by pigments. If let's say the dark eye circle is formed by vessel indications like sinus or maybe sunken skin, then Electri will not work effectively. So why is Electri able to reduce the pigmentations? The formation of our pigments. Melanin is the pigment responsible for the color of the skin, hairs, and eyes. Tyrosinase is the key of enzyme involved in the synthesis of melanins. So if let's say we can stop the melanin productions, we are able to stop the pigmentations formation as well. And in order for our melanosome to produce melanin, the chemical reactions inside melanosome turn the tyrosine into melanin. So if let's say we are able to stop this process, we are able to stop the productions of melanins. So Hyalual came up with a study to show that succinic acid is able to slow down the enzyme tyrosinase responsible for making melanin. Because succinic acid may influence the melanin productions by interacting with copper ions. In order to produce melanin, copper is one of the main ingredients. So if let's say succinic acid is able to chelate or bind to the copper ions, it's potentially reducing their availability for tyrosinase activity. So by slowing down the tyrosinase activity, we are able to slow down the melanin productions. Besides that, oxidative stress can also stimulate melanin productions. Hyalual also came up with a study to show that succinic acid is able to improve the energy of our skin cell. We have two journals to show how the combination of HA and succinic acid works to our skin cell. To show to the patients, besides the dark eye circles, Electri is also suitable to do on other areas of our skin. Let's say like darker lips or melasma. Some patients might have darker forehead, especially to the Indian skin, and also other body parts like underarms, Brazilian line. Electri procedure is very simple. It's multiple point injections, intradermal. Every point is about 1.1 mm papules, and distance of each papule is between 0.5 to 1 cm. The downtime will be around 4 hours to 2 days, depending on the patient's skin conditions. For patient who is more sensitive, it might have swollen for 2 to 3 days. For normal skin patients, usually about 4 hours. The treatment interval is advised not more than 14 days. For patient who is planning to go for a more aggressive treatments like needling RF or CO2 treatments, we can always prepare the skin with Electri first. 2 Electri, 10 days interval each, and then do an energy-based laser. After that, do another Electri for post-laser care, also 10 days interval. By combining Electri with the energy-based device, it's able to reduce the treatment downtime, improve the results, and also lower down the risk of complications like PIH. So here are some of the before and after photos after 14 days. Besides pigmentations, Electri is also able to normalize the microcirculations. For patients who have sensitive skins, the first time doing Electri might have a bit longer inflammations, a bit longer of downtime. After one syringe, when the patients come back for second syringe, can obviously see the inflammation reduce. This is a sample of a rosacea skin. In short, when patient asks you what Electri can do, it's able to improve the energy, it's able to improve the regenerative actions, it's able to reduce the inflammations, it's able to regulate the microcirculations, and also can act as a prevention. So if let's say a patient who always go under the sun, example like golfer, they can always use Electri as a prevention. This can always slow down their skin getting darker. Besides that, Electri also works very well on the wrinkles. For patients who has lower budgets, with Electri, you can treat other indications that the other HA skin boosters can do. On top of that, we can have pigmentation reduction treatment as well. It is a very safe product because Electri is free of any ingredients that is not found in the human body. Succinic acid is actually a type of ingredients in our skin cell we originally have. Due to aging, succinic acid in our body started to reduce. That is one of the reasons why our skin cell become weaker. So in very short, in Malaysia market, we focus Electri on the dark eye circles. But actually besides dark eye circles, it can also use as a skin moisturizer. It's able to help to improve the skin complexions, normalize microcirculations. It's suitable for rosacea patients, eczema patients, sensitive skin patients because it's able to reduce the sensitivity. It's able to reduce the inflammations. Structural skin improvements like wrinkles. Of course, there are other treatments that is more effective than Electri. But if let's say the patients are lower budget, with Electri, they can also see significant results. It can slow down the process of skin aging. It can also act as a prevention treatment, like to reduce the skin pigmentations. The downtime is also very low. The patients can see the result within 1 week. Happy selling! For Electri, focus on the dark eye circles, pigmented dark eye circles.